How to pause notifications on your Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to pause your notifications on your Instagram Lite, what you're simply going to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. After that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile's picture. Click on it. Then, in the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a three-bar option. Click on it. Then go to settings. In settings, what you're going to do is go to the option notifications, which is under Instagram settings over here. After you open notifications, you'll see a lot of options over here. And another option you can see is pause all, and there's a toggle next to it. If you click on it, then it'll ask you for a time limit to pause the notifications for how long. Now just select for the timer, and then there you go. You have paused your notification for that amount of time on your Instagram Lite. So this is how you can pause notifications on your Instagram. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys liked it and see you in the next video.